We also used job order contracting at our South campus, where we installed a helipad on top of the Jackson South Community Hospital in support of a trauma initiative, so we can span our level 1 trauma service here in main campus to gain a level 2 trauma service at our South campus.
They had approached us with a certain contractor that we had hired through Jackson that had the expertise and had done helipads before. And we constructed obviously a pathway between the second floor helipad and the emergency room entrance. So there was a lot of coordination between bringing in this massive helipad, constructing it on site and attaching it to a building that has been here for well over 40 years. They had a small window of opportunity to really get this project done. So we got involved right from the beginning with the contractor and the design firm to really get the price down to Jackson Health's budget. And through job order contracting, we were able to cut down that procurement time and get this project done quickly, on time, and on budget.